Hello fellas, today on the table is a big good old Makita angle grinder GA9050, and I will check what's wrong with it. I'll just remove the flanges and the wheel guard. Okay, now I need to check the brushes for it. Okay, the brushes is ended here. And the second brush is ended, so I will open it to take the armature to check it's good. Okay, what can we see? That the armature have some bad marks, and we can see that the insulation of the field has popped up, so it can be that the field is bad. And yeah, okay, but first we need to inspect the armature really good. I think we needed to clean the commutator and check it. And what I have did, I have cleaned the commutator a little bit, just blowed some dust off the tool. And the easiest way to check if everything is good or not is to place the new brushes. Of course, we can check the motor with a multimeter, but now I don't have the multimeter on my hand, so we just screw in the two screws. And you can see that this was the old brushes. The new brush is TB204, and you can see the difference. So the old ones going to the cycle bin, the new ones going to the brush holder. Certain the cap. Okay, now we have the brushes inserted. We can check if the armature spins. Yeah, it spins, so I will plug the tool in and I will turn it on to check if I have the sparks here or not. So no sparks, it works very good. For this time, that's all we need to know. We have checked the bearing. Bearings are good. We have cleaned the dust, changed the brushes, run at it, and it works very good. So that was only the brush's fault. I will put the wheel guard, the flanges, Okay. Need a bigger one. And okay, plunges. And yep, that's all. We have the repair, the big badass Makita and the grinder by only changing the brushes for it. For now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my next videos. Bye.